back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. Happy New Year's. This is actually my first video for 2023, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And for today, we're actually having a clothing haul, somewhat big. I don't know, you guys tell me, but we do have some pairs of shoes included in this video that I would like to showcase in here. And before I jump into the unboxing and all of that good stuff, I do want to remind you guys that I'm still holding that sneaker giveaway. It should be the video before this one, so make sure you go ahead and check out my YouTube profile, watch the video, follow the steps, and good luck to everybody who has entered so far. With all of that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So I'm gonna start with the pieces that I have right behind me, and by the way, let me know what you guys think of this new filming setup here in my home studio. I do have a few places where I can film, so let me know what you guys think. I might be doing the clothing and sneaker unboxings maybe on this side here, or maybe just clothes. Not sure yet. Let me know down below. Alrighty, so the first piece that I purchased because of winter, I decided to go ahead and pick up this puffer jacket from BOOHOOMAN. This here, I liked it mainly for the color, because this is kind of like a sage color, and in my opinion it does go well with most of my clothing pieces in my closet. Now, the biggest downside of this jacket here is the quality. It does keep you fairly warm now that we're in winter, but I just don't feel like it doesn't give me a good feel, honestly. When you touch like the puffy portions, it just feels like they stuffed paper in there. Out of 5 stars, I would honestly give this a 2-star for quality, and I would probably give it like maybe like a 4-star on looks. So if you don't care much about the quality and want to go for the look, then this puffer jacket might be for you. For me, I will probably wear it a couple times, get some Instagram content out of it, and then I will go and sell it to my local Plato's Closet, which is where I usually sell most of my clothes and shoes that I don't want anymore. And by the way, that was a size medium, which I could have gotten away with a size small, so now I know for next time. Next item, this one right here is my first long coat. I decided to go with this colorway here because we all know whites, creams, browns, and like this kind of like a reddish brown tone. They're all trending right now all over social media, and so I saw this on sale for, I think it was Black Friday or Cyber Monday, which yes, I've had this for that long and I have not worn it once. So I have yet to use this and put a fire outfit with it, but I will say out of 5 stars, honestly, the quality of this is 5 out of 5. Not gonna lie to you guys. The coat is super heavy. It does have like inner pockets for any of your items, wallet, phone, keys, whatever. It does keep you very warm. I've tried it on with like a hoodie underneath. It fits super good. Again, keeps you warm. And overall, for the looks, I also give it a 5 out of 5 because this makes you look very elegant if you want to like dress it up, or it can complement very well, you know, your more casual, relaxed outfit, going for that streetwear style. So very good for BOOHOOMAN on the coats, not so much on the puffer jackets, at least on this haul. Now we're gonna move on to the next pieces. Alrighty, so continuing with the jackets theme, I did this haul on Black Fridays, and of course winter was just kicking in here in Tennessee, so I decided to buy a lot of jackets because I don't have many that kind of go with the style I have now. So Next jacket is this one right here. I am unsure of the name. This kind of looks like a shacket. I think it's what they're calling it, but it isn't. It's actually like a jacket with like this shirt kind of look, and on the inside you guys can see it has like this nylon material. We still have that, you know, pocket in here for keys and phone, and it does have side pockets as well, you know, keep your hands warm. Now this here, I don't remember from the top of my head right now, but I think it might have been an oversized fit, and I went ahead and purchased a size small, which I'm so thankful I did. But I could have gotten away with an extra small because this here actually fits me like a loose medium. I feel this is more like a medium large instead of a small, so this might have been a super like oversized jacket, and I'm not too satisfied with the fit. But if I decide to wear it with like a baggy hoodie and baggy pants, it does look fire. Again, stay tuned to my Instagram for outfit and outfit photos and reels, of course. And yeah, so for quality, I do give this a 5 out of 5. Quality is on point and looks 5 out of 5, honestly. Let me know down below of your opinion, but this is a jacket that I could recommend out of this entire haul. Next, this here I believe was labeled, never mind, I thought it was a jacket, but it's not. So this one here is a brush check boxy overshirt. As you guys can see, it still has the tag, which means I haven't worn it since I purchased it like a month and a half ago or so. Which is a shame. I need to get to wear this one here, so again, stay tuned to my Instagram because that's where I post the outfits and all that good stuff. But this one here, so first impressions, honestly, I don't know what's going to happen the day I want to throw this on the washer, because as you guys may or may not be able to see, this thing feels like it will just shed all over my washer machine. And my plan is going to be putting this in a bag, like a laundry bag, and of course washing it by itself. That way I can avoid any accidents with the rest of my clothes. For looks, honestly, I might give this like a 3 out of 5. And for quality, honestly, I might give it a 2. Just because I know for a fact, the day I wash this thing, it might be it. So I'm not buying overshirts, at least these type of like fluffy ones, never buying them again. So stay away from this if you see it on the website. If it's like a regular like shirt, like cotton shirt, go for it, but stay away from the fluffy ones. Now, the last piece from the BOOHOOMAN haul that I did was this t-shirt here. So I bought it because of the color and the logo. I kind of like them both, but the day I unboxed this thing, it had such a bad cigarette smell. It felt like someone had smoked some cigarettes, took off the shirt, put it in a bag, and shipped it to my house. It was bad, and like overall, like 1 out of 5 on like the whole press, like everything, okay? Quality, honestly, after the first wash, it did leave the shirt feeling thin. So I guess conclusion, stay away from this t-shirt if you see it. You will catch me on Instagram maybe wearing this thing, but honestly this might become my sleeping t-shirt, and that's about it. Alrighty, now the last item I want to show on this video is of course a pair of sneakers. So these right here are a pair of Vans, Authentics I think they're called, and they are in this kind of like pastel pink or like pastel lilac color. These right here, I got them from ASOS on Black Friday. These were actually showcased in my December sneaker pickups, And as you guys can see on this shoe here, it still has the tag. I have not worn these here because it has been raining like every other day here in Tennessee, and these are suede sneakers. And I ran out of the Rejuvenator like repellent spray, so I have to buy some of that. But I didn't want to risk it, so I just haven't worn them. I'm waiting for the weather to get better so that I can, you know, take these out for a run. But yeah, this is the last item for the video. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram account, which is where I will be posting outfit photos and outfit reels, and you might catch me styling these pieces right here. If you guys have any questions, make sure you check out my Instagram profile link, which may have the answers to a lot of the common questions I see down below. But other than that, thank you so much to everybody who tunes in to every single video I post. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I will catch you all until the next upload schedule.